Hello, my name's Jordan and I run Our Sensory Kids. I've been very kindly asked by Sam from Explore Your Senses to review and have a look at some of their exploration bags, to see what I think and to see how I'd use them. Today I'm going to show you the Messy and Water exploration bag. Let's see what's inside. The first thing I see is this cute little bunny, and it looks like a watering can. This could be great for filling and emptying and pouring. What a great maths activity. Next is this little boat, and it's filled with plastic shapes. This would be great for a water and sand table. The boat could float along the water, and you could make shapes in the sand using these. This is another great maths activity. Next is this cute animal mirror. These are great for bath time as they're completely waterproof, and if you bend them, they'll distort your face. What fun! And then we have this huge messy play tray. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look at all that. This looks so good for science experiments. What have we got? Oh, we've got these tweezers. I've wanted some of these for a long time. These are great for fine motor skills and scissor practice without the sharp edges. And this is a floating octopus. It lights up when you put it in the water. Great for ocean play. There's also these two LED bath lights. They light up as soon as you put them in water. There's 2 pots of magic snow. We love this stuff. Just add water and it feels like the real stuff. There's 3 packs of water beads, red, blue and yellow. Some gooey jelly bath. We love this stuff. Again, just add water and you can actually go in the bath. Or this tray could be a sensory tray and you could make it in that. There's a super subby. You turn these round and they whiz through the water. This is so fun for bath time. There's a big pack to make your own gloop. That sounds fun. There's a pack of bath tints. Just pop one in the water and it changes the colour of the water. There's some plastic counting animals too. These are waterproof. These would be great to have in the bath. You could line them up, you could sort by colour, or you could play with them in your gloop, see if you could find them. And oh my goodness, more water beads. This looks so much fun. There's 4 tubs, this tray as well. All you need for a water and messy play experiment activity. This would all last you ages. What a fun exploration bag. I've never seen something like this that sells everything all together. It's so easy and so fun. This would be great if you're a teacher and wanting to make science fun. It would also be good if your kids need a bit of motivating to get into the bath. I hope you find that information useful. You can find more from me on my social media accounts, all Our Sensory Kids. See you there. Bye.